Look at the baby goats, Toots. Oh, 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 oh. What's up, T5 family? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we have some fun plans. It's about 80 degrees outside, partly sunny, no rain, which is great, but we are planning on going to the petting zoo. There's some ice cream at the same place.
Not the petting zoo.
What is it?
It's a dairy. It's a dairy
It's
farm.
a dairy farm.
They happen to
and you happen to have a petting zoo. It's a dairy farm that happens to have a petting zoo at this place, apparently. My mistake. And then afterwards we are going to a playground, so it's a fun day outside. Thank you guys for joining us. Don't forget to smash that like button down below, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications, because when you turn those on, you get an alert saying we uploaded and you can watch it right away. And also, I forgot my camera, so everything I'm shooting today is on the iPhone, so old school. So thank you guys for joining us again, and on with the vlog. Okay, hold on guys, mommy has to pay first. Oh, look at the baby goats. Look at them.
They love grass.
But they love grass?
And then
Monkeys? Monkeys? There's monkeys in here?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, watch out. Barn cats may scratch or bite. Do not chase them. Do not chase the cats. All right, guys, go ahead. Follow mommy. look at that big boy. Go ahead, Bubba. Go ahead.
That's a pig.
Go ahead. What's up, piggies? What's up, piggies?
Smells okay, so.
Mommy, where are the monkeys?
All right, guys.
Do they all eat the same food?
Except you can't feed the monkeys.
Oh, you like the goats, really?
It's worthy.
It was trying to eat my fingers.
Just trying to eat your fingers? Silas, Baba. Is that Cecilia? You guys excited? You guys excited? Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You see the little goats? You see them? Baby goat, meet baby human. Henry, aww. Aww, Bubba, that's so cute. What's up, Pinky boy?
More food? Okay, here you go.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Here, over to the bag.
You guys see the baby goats? All right, guys, keep walking, keep walking.
Feed them at the same time.
Feed them at the same time? Yeah? Go ahead.
I'm gonna give that one some.
Good
What?
job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, watch out. They're surrounding you. Uh-oh, here comes a big boy. Henry, that's not food for humans, okay? Connor, you like it?
No.
No. No.
Where's the monkeys?
I don't know. I think we'll have to keep walking around to see the monkeys.
I think it's on a tree.
They're on the trees?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find them.
Daddy,
Come on. Come on, come on. What? Oh, babe. Babe, he wants to see the piggy again. All right, let's go see the piggy again. Here, come on.
Look at that one.
Want to see the piggy again? Look at the piggy. You see him?
Yeah.
You see him eating? He's a big boy, huh? See a big boy?
Hi, big boy.
Hi, big boy. Let's go. You want to hold my hand? Nope. All right. Go ahead, go ahead. You saw a baby sheep? Where? Show us. Where? That's a baby sheep or a baby goat? Oh, baby goat, okay.
Look at that big guy.
Whoa, look at this big boy, guys.
Big papa.
This is the elder.
The papa.
This is the elder statesman. Woody. Look at the baby goat. Oh, look at this one.
Baby.
Come here. Come here, baby. Baby.
Look at his butthole.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Mommy, can I have some?
Oh, look at the baby. What, Bubba? What? Come on, what? Where? Are those donkeys? Are those donkeys? Whoa. You can feed, but they may bite. Oh, look at the donkeys. Should we get a donkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to get a donkey, P?
No.
Oh, here.
Guys, Henry, did you see the
Here,
turtle?
here, watch.
Tortoise.
Oh, I missed. I missed. Look at the turtle. Wow, look at that big boy. Oh, what? What, Connor? You want to go in it? Well, no, Bubba. No, don't climb. Don't climb.
Mommy, I'm gonna go in it. It's a turtle.
No, you can't go in there with the turtle. Silly. Ooh, you see the cows? See the cows? We're gonna feed the cows.
And that's great. He just takes it with his tongue.
There you guys go. Good job. He's like, I'm not doing that right now.
Come on, girl. I think alpacas.
Alpacas or llamas? I'm not familiar.
Well, they're little, but maybe
Oh my god, look at this one. Look at this one's teeth.
they might be llamas.
I don't know. If you guys know, let us know in the comment section.
Henry, we got some. Hey, we're being nice to each
Nice.
other. Look, just grab one. Just give it one at a time. Just give him one at a time. Look,
Llama red pajama.
they're all very gentle.
Is that a cartoon?
Yeah. Just give him one at a time, Henry. Look,
It bite me.
they don't bite.
No. Guys! You see the llamas? You see the llamas? You see the llamas? Come on. Come on, you see the llamas? Theo, you see the llamas? Look, over there. Look over here. Look, you see the llamas? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Whoa, watch out, Toots. Ow. You're running Daddy over. That's okay. I forgive you. Come on, Toots. Come on, Toots. Ah! Ah! You're gonna hit Daddy.
Daddy.
You crazy.
Maybe they don't like it.
Bark, bark, bark. Oh, and a rooster. See him, Henry?
Hey, Henry.
You see him, Connor? You see him? Do that again, P. Whoa. That is a peacock, isn't it? Whoa. Wait, is he trying to mate? Like he's trying to flex on him right now. He's trying to impress the female.
Me, look.
Look at him. Look at him. He's trying to impress the females over here. He's like, hey, baby, what's up?
Look.
Look at him. That's pretty cool, huh?
Look.
Peacock.
No, I'll get it.
Yummy.
Yummy? Yummy?
Judy, here, honey.
Wish I could use ice cream.
Just
Give me some
this
ice
side.
cream.
Well, actually,
Give me some ice cream. Give me some ice cream. What you doing?
yeah. Balls and then the milkshake.
Aiden, what kind you get?
Chocolate chip.
Yummy?
With the
Yeah?
mini-
How yummy?
I have it all the time.
You have it all the time? Yeah, but everywhere it's different.
No.
Your spoon.
Color changing spoon.
Yeah.
Your spoon.
5 of the minis and then the
Color changing spoon. Henry, what you doing? What you doing? Hey, I see you, bud. I see you. Good job, buddy. You trying to climb? You trying to climb it? Good job, dude. Whoa, fancy.
And keep going.
And you keep going? Go ahead. All right, let's see it, Connor. Woo! Good job, dude. What? Follow me. Okay, what? What? Go ahead. Go ahead, Toots. Is that you, Connor? Go ahead, Toots. Good job, girlie. Pete, what you doing? Are you just hanging out? All right, let's see. Be careful. Be careful.
I did.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Go ahead.
I don't think I can do it.
Yes, you can. You got it.
Grab on with both hands.
Yep, both hands on it. Woo! Whoa! Dude, that was impressive. Hey guys, what you doing? You chilling? You chilling? You chilling? You chilling? Tiki 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 tiki. Tiki 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 tiki. Tiki 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 tiki. I see you, Cecilia. I see you giving me the side eye. Hey, hey, hey! Don't you yell at me! Don't you yell at me! Don't you yell at me! Don't you yell at me, big boy! Don't you yell at me, big boy! Don't you yell at me! What? What? You wanna jump to me? Hold on, hold on. Big jump, big jump, big jump. Who's on this slide? Who's on this slide? Hey! You get down here! Woo! Woo! What? You wanna bet?
Monster. Hey, Dad, are you okay?
Yep, I'm okay. Are you okay? Oh, thanks. Thanks for asking. Woo! Good girl. Henry, I wanna see you go down the slide. Whoa, 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 whoa. Good job. What? You wanna stay here?
Yeah, for all day.
All day?
When it gets dark,
Woo.
I'm playing now.
Woo!
I'm gonna sleep on the slide.
You're gonna sleep on the slides?
Yeah.
He's like, hey, baby, what's up? See what I'm working with?